In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to turn off taking screenshots on an Android phone using the power and volume up or down button, and turning on taking screenshots by simply swiping up or swiping down on an Android device. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone and get to settings directly. Once you are here, do a search for disable power button and volume down. Select this option and you get to this screen directly. Once you're here, the first thing what you need to do is turn on 3-finger swipe. Once you turn this on, the next time you go to take a screenshot on your phone, you could just touch the screen with 3 fingers and just swipe it down and you have a screenshot. You could save it or you could discard it. That's totally on you. And in order for you to disable power and volume down button for taking screenshots, just turn this on and it is going to get disabled. And in order for you to disable 3-finger swipe and turn on power button and volume down button for screenshots, get back to the screen. You disable this first and then you disable this, and it is going to get back to normal as it was before when you got your phone. I hope this helps and you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.